Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always. And as I always want you to be. So today in School for Elders, I have a very interesting story of Daripalli Ramaiah. This man is so special that he is on a mission to make this planet green again, and he is doing that also. And he has planted more than 1 crore trees. Yes, you have heard it right. He has planted more than 1 crore trees, and he always takes certain saplings and he keeps on planting wherever he sees any barren land. So he says that we have to give back to the environment. We have to, whatever destruction has been done, we have to cover that. So he's a man on a mission, right? I mean, it is not an easy task. I mean, it's very easy to say, however difficult to do when you are on a uncertain mission, and that too which is not giving you any money. However, due to lack of money, he had sold his 3 acres land, and then he has purchased saplings and all the seeds to plant. So here goes the story about him. He has just cleared his 10th class, and after that he felt he is connected to nature. He started planting trees, and he is more than 80, and his efforts have been recognized by state governments also, and then his efforts are recognized by now national government. So he received Padma Shri for all his efforts in 2017. Yes, this man is called walking talking encyclopedia of plants and trees. Yes, my dear friends. And I mean, to your surprise and to my surprise, when he was on this mission to cover the planet with greenery, and he was thinking about future generations, that our future generations will reap the rewards of this greenery, because the lack of oxygen, how much it cost almost 10 lakhs, right? So which he wants to give everyone free of cost. That's why I say, please give recognition, and please pay attention to these people, so that they should also be billionaire, right? They are doing something for environment and human race. I mean, for future generations also, they are thinking so much. They are not going on fancy trips and posting pictures, or doing certain things, or buying expensive clothes, which are, I'm not saying it's bad, it is very very good. However, people who are doing so much for whole human race, they also need our attention, right? They also need to be rich. They also deserve that recognition. So yes, coming back to his story, many people called him mentally disordered, or maybe he's lost his mental balance. He's not in his senses, that he's just going and planting trees everywhere. People laughed at him, people mocked about him. I mean, it's such a sad thing of people, those who are having no work to do. They just create obstacles on the ways of the ones who are generous and loving souls of God. However, they don't react, they just keep quiet, silent, and they are working silently for their mission. So this is speciality of the ones who have achieved something. So here comes the wellness mantra. First, you must have understood from this story that don't listen to anyone. Whatever someone says negative about something, just listen and just give a smile and move ahead, because you cannot change people's opinion, and you don't have, and please don't waste your time and energy on that also. Just take action. That action speaks louder than words. That's why it's saying. So second wellness mantra is, keep your inner child alive, right? This is very important. I mean, keep your inner child alive till your last breath, because how a child behaves, right? I mean, if you even slap a child, they are just, after a certain time, they will speak to you, or they will be laughing, they'll just forget, right? That forgetfulness, that love, that smile, they acknowledge emotions, right? So keep your inner child alive always, no matter whatever age you have reached. This man is at 82, still he has kept his inner child alive. That's why they are on the mission. So whenever you are feeling down, I mean, just think about that inner child. Just take a picture of your childhood, or maybe take a picture, a happy moment when you were very happy, or maybe something have happened. I mean, just remember and recall that it has passed, and this will also pass, right? Nothing lasts forever. So enjoy your life, enjoy each and every emotion, each and every season in your life. So that is the wellness mantra. And keep on smiling, keep on writing and reading, and keep on walking, talking, right? So like this man has read so many books on plantation, and you also keep on reading. That's how he kept on going, right? So thank you so much for liking, watching, and subscribing to my channel also. And see you till next video. Bye bye, take care.